Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 31. It's about money box calculator. The money box, we call it money box, coin box, piggy box that we save inside the coins, okay? So write a program to ask the user to insert pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters, dollars. Then calculate the total pennies and dollars and print them on screen. So we'll ask the user to insert, for example, 5 pennies, 5 nickels, 5 dimes, 5 quarters, $5, and after that we'll calculate the total pennies and dollars and print them on screen. So if the user insert, for example, 5 pennies, 5 nickels, the input of the user was 5 pennies, 5 nickels, 5 dimes, 5 quarters, and $5. The output should to be 705 pennies and $7 something. So now let's go to Visual Studio to convert these program requirements into code. First, we build a structure. We said struct st is the prefix money box content, the money box that we store or receive inside the coins or the pennies or dimes, nickels, dollars, whatever quarters. We put all the variables inside one struct. Instead, we create them outside. We collect them, as we said, under one umbrella. It's called struct. And struct is user defined data type, so the name of the struct is user defined data type. So in the end, it's data type. You can use it anywhere in the program. Okay, while all of them from the same data type, integer, pennies, dimes, nickel, quarters, dollars, we can define them in the same line of code. So after we build the struct, we create another function. It's from user defined data type. We use the name of the struct because the name of the struct is data type. Okay, st money box content, and we name the function read money box content. We want now to display a question for the user to collect how many dimes and nickels and quarters, dollars this user had. So we use the user defined data type, which is the name of the struct, st money box content. Why we use it? Because we want after that to declare a variable. Why we declare a variable? Because after each data type we use it, we have to declare a variable. So while the user defined data type, so in the end is data type, we have to declare a variable. Okay, so we declare the variable, and through this variable we could reach the content or the variables that exist inside the struct, which are pennies, dimes, nickels, quarters, dollars. So after that, we just say, cout, please insert how many pennies. We ask now the user, display this question on the screen, okay? Cout, please insert how many pennies do you have? Money box content dot, we have to say dot. Why? Because without dot, we cannot reach the variable inside the struct. If you write it just pennies like this, it's wrong, okay? Sorry, let me fix it. It's wrong. Look, the compiler give me an error. Identifier is identified. So we have to say money box dot, and the compiler by itself to help me give me options while we're asking the user about the pennies. So money box content dot pennies, and so on with the another questions. Please insert how many dimes do you have. Now we're asking about dimes, so you say money box content dot, we'll choose the dimes variable that exists inside the struct. All right, and the third question saying please insert how many nickels do you have, how many quarters do you have, how many dollars do you have. All of them money box content dot, we choose the variable that's belong to the question, and in the end we return money box content. It will hold for us all the pennies, dimes, nickel, quarters, and the dollars, because it's a function from kind user defined data type. In the end we have to return one value, and after that we create this function. We name it calculate total pennies, because according to the problem requirements we have to get the total pennies and the total dollar. It's from float data type, calculate total pennies, it's descriptive name, and it takes the user defined data type and the money box content that is already full with the dimes, nickels, quarters, dollars, and pennies. Let's open it. Inside we define float data type, and we declare a variable. We call the total pennies equals 0. This is initial value. We said we have to initial each a variable to not let the compiler bring us anything from the memory or from the garbage memory, okay, which is all values. And we said here total pennies equal money box content dot pennies multiply 1. Why multiply 1? Because 1 penny give us 1 penny. And after that plus money box content dot nickels multiply 5. Why multiply 5? Because 1 nickels give us 5 pennies, and so on with the dimes multiply 10, because 1 dime give us 10 pennies, and quarter multiply 20, multiply 25, because a quarter give us 25 pennies, and in the end dot dollar multiply 100, because $1 give us 100 pennies, and in the end we will return that total pennies. Okay, so This is how we calculate the total pennies. And here in the main function, we define float data type. We say also declare total pennies. So this total pennies here is local variable. It's end when the compiler finish using this function that it's called calculate total pennies. When the compiler finish to use this function calculate total pennies, the local variable that's called total pennies, it's finished when the compiler finished using this function. So this total pennies is different from this total pennies. Okay, this is local variables, not a global variable. So we can use the same name of the variables if those variables are local variables. Okay, so here we have float total pennies equal calculate total pennies, and it takes read many box content. Why we do it like this? Because all of these function, nested function, its results, all of it will store or we assign it to total pennies. Okay, so why we use read many box content? Because read many box content function, it display the question for the user on console screen and take the dimes, nickel, dollars and store inside it. And after that we calculate the total pennies, because we need to get the total pennies according to problem requirements. We need to get the total pennies and total dollars. So these two functions results, we will assign it to the total pennies variable that we declared here in the main function. And after that we just print it. See out less than total pennies equal the total pennies, because it's already stored inside the result of the total pennies. And after that also we will print the or display the total dollars equal total pennies divided 100 by 100. Got the dollars of how many dollars we have inside that many box. So let's do run checker out together. Perfect. Once we did run, the compiler asks us the first question. Please insert how many pennies do you have. Let's say I have 5 pennies. How many dimes do you have? 5 also. How many nickels? 5. Quarters? 5. Dollars? 5. The total pennies is 705 and total dollars 7.05. So that was the problem number 31. It's about many box calculator to calculate the total pennies and the dollar that exists inside the many box. So that was the problem of today. See you next lesson.